Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm gonna be showing you how to make a short plane that goes really fast and it has a grip. All you need is one A4 paper. Keep it vertical and from this side fold it to the other side. After you fold it, you have to unfold it. Take the corner of the sheet and as you can see the center line here, just fold it like this and do the same for the other side. And now you take this part and fold it to the center line. So it looks like this. Do the same for the other side. Okay. Now take the top part and fold it over here on the center line. Okay. Now to fold it, take this edge and fold it to the center line like this, and do the same for the other side. And now you take this triangle here and then fold it up like this, and now turn it the other side. Fold it like this. As you can see, this is your grip here. Now take the top part, fold it to the bottom here, and do the same for the other side. Okay, now you open it like this. Crease this part, and here you go, your plane's ready. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe. Boom.